On a dark and dreary night while baking queen buns, I decided to melt margarine in the microwave. However, I forgot to take out the foil. A few seconds later, boom! It exploded! Nobody got hurt, but safe to say the mistake was never made again. All seemed to be going to plan with my banana bread until, as I reached into the dark depths of my spice rack for some cinnamon to add to my mix, I was horrified to discover I had instead poured a harsh dash of cumin into my batter by mistake. Beware of getting things twisted. My brownie recipe took a terrifying and chocolatey turn for the worst when I accidentally thought the recipe said 225 grams of cocoa powder, when instead it should have only been 25 grams.